The best way to do accounting in 2025 is to do it in QuickBooks Online. Why? Because QuickBooks Online makes accounting byproduct of business operations. Let me explain. When we make a sale in our business, we have to issue a document to the customer mentioning all the details of the sale like product, quantity, price, and the payment terms. When we are using QuickBooks Online, we issue this document, that is invoice, from QuickBooks Online. And when we are doing so, QuickBooks automatically and seamlessly in the backend makes the accounting entry, updating all the accounting records, sales, account receivables, taxes, and reports instantly and seamlessly. This is not just limited to sales. The same thing happens when we receive payments, pay our bills and expenses, and pay salaries. Bookkeeping happens when the business happens. This not only makes accounting faster and easier, it shifts your focus from recording transactions to looking at profit and loss, cash flow, outstanding invoices, expenses by vendor, inventory valuation, and much more. So when we are learning QuickBooks Online, we are really learning three things. 1. Understanding how to carry out daily operations like invoicing, recording bills, and making payments. 2. Understanding what accounting is happening behind the scenes and why it matters. And 3. Running the reports and use the insights to manage the business. But this powerful system only works when it is set up the right way. We have to tell the system about our business, its locations, departments, classes, products and services, customers and suppliers, bank accounts and credit cards, and all other details. This requires basic understanding of the features of QuickBooks, but also fundamental understanding of accounting and bookkeeping. And this is where this class, QuickBooks Online 2025 Accounting and Bookkeeping, comes in. In this course, we will learn how to set up QuickBooks Online and customize it according to our business requirements, how to connect our bank accounts with QuickBooks Online to automatically import the bank statements, how to issue invoices to the customers, and how to manage the other aspects of sales and receivables, recording the bills and paying the bills, managing the inventory and tracking the inventory, adding and managing the fixed assets and depreciation, managing accruals and prepayments, and all other aspects of accounting. We will also take a detailed look at the reports, and we will learn what these reports tell us. I will be showing you the accounting behind the scenes every step of the way. So whether you are a business owner or an accountant or bookkeeper or freelancer or even an accounting student, this course will take you step by step from a beginner to an expert QuickBooks Online user. I am Irfan Sharif, a chartered accountant and QuickBooks Online Advanced Pro Advisor. I have 16 years of experience in which I have helped hundreds of businesses and professionals simplify and manage their business books using QuickBooks Online. And today I am here to help you do the same. So if you are ready to take control of your bookkeeping, gain clarity on your business, and master QuickBooks Online, join me inside the class and let's get started.